Hello everyone, good afternoon po sa ating lahat, and today's video, andito po tayo sa jump mining natin. And as of today guys, meron lang po tayo dito update regarding po dito sa ating jump mining investment. Then as of today, Zoco na po yung nagpalit dito sa ating jump mining. So ito yung pinakamagandang investment guys na nakita ko at nasalihan natin kasi napakaganda ng interface ng kanyang platform investment. So dito makikita po natin dito guys yung ating account, yung platform mismo ng ating Zoco investment. Then, dito na part is meron po tayo dito miners na 7. Yan, as of today, ayan po. Meron po tayo dito tinatawag na 190, no? Total assets natin kasi yung total balance natin is $172.06. Pero kapag kung gitry natin to i-withdraw guys, hindi natin to ma-fall out. So, kailangan natin i-convert muna into dollars natin into Zoco dollars